Just taking a stroll along the beach in Norfolk. Absolutely gorgeous day. Really nice weather. Sat there. What's that? Just washed up in front of me here. Let's go and open this and see what this is. What have we got here then? Soaking wet, whatever it is. Looks like a coin. It is a coin. Wow, this is just washed up on the beach in front of me. I believe this is the 2025 Samoa Seahorse 1 ounce antique silver coin from Scottsdale Mint. This is a 1 troy ounce coin struck in 3 nines fine silver. It's got a legal tender of Samoa with a face value of 2 talela. The centerpiece is a seahorse, incredibly detailed. You can see it's antiqued, so that it really makes the seahorse pop against the background. Instead of having a bright polished finish, this really pops. Now you can see it has a reeded edge. The coin, I believe, is 38.8 millimeters in diameter and 3.1 millimeters thick. Now this particular coin has a limited mintage of just 1,000 pieces, and I think the detail of the seahorse with the coral and the seaweed and everything else behind it is a real pleasure to look at. So yeah, Scottsdale Mint have done an incredible job with this. I think the fact that it is antiqued really does make the background pop and the seahorse look really good. But yeah, what an incredible find to wash up on the sea. I don't know if this capsule is a capsule that I can open or not. Let's have a little go. Yeah, we can open it. There we go, we can have a real close look at this coin now. Really nice piece of silver. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. So thanks very much for watching, and I'm going to continue my stroll along the Norfolk coast. There's a seal here. A little seal sitting on the beach. Looks like a young one as well. Look at that. Looks like he's having a rest. I suppose it's tough work when they're young like that and they're swimming against the waves. So that's pretty cool. People swimming over there as well, so they might bump into a seal when they're swimming. Yeah, just leave it be.